Transformation of sentences, part 2. Some challenging questions. The sixth one here. A man has some influence over a daughter, but a woman's influence is greater. Use more influence. The answer: a woman's influence. A woman has more influence over a daughter than a man does. Adding the does in the end is necessary, otherwise the meaning of the sentence changes. First one here. You left the gas on, didn't you? End with did you. You didn't turn off the gas, comma, did you? Question mark. Off with double F. Now the second one here. Beena's father left her with a big fortune. Answer: Beena inherited a big fortune from her father. Now the sixth one. They had to spend a night in a hotel because the train was late. Begin if. If the train hadn't been late, they wouldn't have had to spend a night in a hotel. And the seventh one. Many people have died in the village due to floods. Floods have claimed the lives of many people in the village. The 11th one here. You must listen to your mother's advice. Your mother's advice must be listened to by you. The 6th one here. As soon as the train arrived, all rushed into the compartments. Answer: hardly had the train arrived when all rushed into the compartments. Another answer: hardly did the train arrive when all rushed into the compartments. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.